We spent years designing and building the ultimate roof rack, and today in this video we're going to show you everything you need to know. I'm Taylor, this is KC, let's get into it. We'll show you 5 insane features you've probably never seen in a roof rack, 2 different loadouts, and how this system integrates lighting and gear storage like never before. So what is the Platform 1? It's not just another roof rack system, it's the first ever modular system built by us here at KC. It's built to be strong, it's built to look good, it's built to withstand all kinds of weather. But of course, you know us, we're all about lighting, so it's the first ever 360-degree integrated seamless lighting system. It's got hidden side light wiring channels, it's got a whole suite of accessories for it, it's got a vehicle-specific contoured fit, and it's meant to pair perfectly with our existing solar ecosystem. The PL1 is a hybrid design, which combines a really clean-looking fit with super strong, durable system. So if you look up here, what that means is we have 2 pieces. We have an upper mounted platform and then a precision cut side rail that perfectly matches your OEM roofline. Then up here on the platform itself, we have a super long lengthwise upper mounting deck, as well as some really cool perimeter side mounts here, all forming a patent pending design. Strong and looks good. Let's get out of the rain. Throughout our wide offerings of roof racks for different vehicles, every single one of them features a clean contoured fit. What that means is there's no big gaps, there's no generic design or anything like that, just a clean fit that looks like it's perfectly meant for your specific truck or SUV. When it comes to the overhead lighting, you get to run our gravity LED light bars. So you either get to run the Titan light bar or the Pro 6 overhead light bar. For side lights, we developed an entirely brand new light just for the Platform 1 roof rack. These are profiled 10-inch side cast lights. They have a bias beam pattern, which points the light straight and completely down, so you don't have all the scattered light in the top treetops in the sky and all that. They feature 2 different colors. You got a white mode for real high power trailside repairs. You're trying to find stuff, whatever that may be. Or we go to amber mode for a little bit softer ambient lighting. You're trying to keep the bugs away. You're trying to set up the camp at night, anything like that. So side lights, profile 10-inch side cast lights, really nice, clean addition. And for rear facing lighting, we have a handful of different options. Starting with the chase bar, that is a full feature multi-function product that has all the different goodies with it. Moving on, we have our Flex Era 1 lights, which you can either choose from a rear mounted or a side mounted, both for rear facing lights. However, if you also just want a custom setup, all the sides of the roof rack use standard M8 hardware, so you can do a custom job, just like we did with the Cyclones on our Toyota. From the upper mounting deck to the slotted side rails and the perimeter mounts to holes in the corner caps, the PL1 was meant for maximum versatility. The upper mounting deck was meant to be modular, meaning that you can move these lengthwise rails anywhere left to right on the rack that you want in order to mount any of your gear or tents or anything like that. Speaking of which, we have a whole suite of different accessories that make this thing even more functional. From awning mounts to rooftop tent mounts to solar panel mounts, cargo cases, anything like that you need to strap down, we've got you covered with a variety of hooks and straps and things like that. With the Platform 1, gone are the days of zip ties and a giant mess of ugly spaghetti wiring. All that's gone and you have nice, clean wiring left. All thanks to the hidden side light wiring channels, as well as some really clean, trick little corner pass-throughs for the wiring to go through. So what you're left with is a really clean install of your side lights. Its power-ready design ensures that you can use it with our existing solar ecosystem to ensure that you have energy anywhere and everywhere that you need it. So what that means is whether you're using our solar charge hub or our block solar panels, you can use those to charge up your fridges, your lights, or anything in between. So this is what it looks like when it all comes together. 2 builds built for very different purposes, both using Platform 1. So right behind me, we have a Toyota Tacoma and a Lexus GX. Starting with the Toyota Tacoma. This truck is owned by Andy. He's one of our co-owners, and this truck is built specifically for everything he does in life and his passions. This is on the simpler side of the loadouts, so it's not all crazy complex. It's got an overhead Pro 6 light bar, and it has the blackout plates, meaning no side lights. Speaking about the gear on top of this thing, the whole philosophy on this build is that Andy loves to go surfing. He likes to participate in the water sports. So we built it to match that. On one side of the truck, you're gonna see a Roam storage case. That's to be able to throw all of his wet gear in there, the sandy gear, anything that you wanna keep that's nasty, smelly out of the truck and onto the rooftop store system. On the other side of the Tacoma is a Roam onboard water system. So it's got a little shower head so you can clean all the sand off, you can get yourself nice and clean, you can get the dog clean, anything you need to, whether it's a day at the beach or hiking out in the mountains. Now, moving over to the Lexus GX 470. This is Jacobs. He is our full-time media guy here at KC, so that is the dedicated media trail rig for us here. So this vehicle is much more built out, much more complex, and a lot of really cool parts on it. He's got the overhead Titan light bar with the white mode and the amber dust light. He's got the profile 10-inch side cast lights on it. He's got both Flexera 1s, and he's got an overhead chase light bar in the back. But as it comes to the accessories, that's where the vehicle really shines. He's got a full onboard power system powered by our block solar panels, as well as our solar charge hub and some batteries in the back of the system there. And then on the other side of the vehicle, he's got these Zargus storage cases to store a wide variety of different media gear, trailside repair stuff, or anything that we might need when we're actually out running and filming while we're out here. Then to keep things nice and comfortable, he's got the FSR awning on the side. It's got the built-in lights from them. It's a really cool setup, keeps us nice and cool when it's on a hot day outside. Overall, that's what it looks like when these two different builds come together to form one Platform One equipped system. The Platform One is made locally in limited batches, and it's available right now for a huge variety of different vehicles. If you're ready to upgrade your rig, check out the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to get back to you as quick as we can. Thank you all for tuning in, and hopefully you learned everything that you need to know about the Platform One roof racks. And there might be a few more secrets on the way for the Platform One, but you didn't hear it from me.